Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica. For those of you who do not know and it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for joining. In today's video, I'm gonna be going over my go-to protein shakes that I just love to make after a good workout. They are super easy to make. Honestly, take like 2 to 3 minutes to make each, if that. And they're healthy and they're good. So I am excited to spread that love with you guys. I honestly will come home after a hard workout and like look forward to having my protein shake. I will be dead and sore and like have it, and it's just like so like rejuvenated. They're so good and just comforting to have after a hard workout. So yeah. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell. And with all of that madness said, let's get started. All right guys, so the ingredients for this very first protein shake are 8 ounces of vanilla almond milk, a scoop of a chocolate protein powder. Go ahead and use whichever brand you would prefer. I personally use the Gold Standard Whey Protein in the flavor Extreme Milk Chocolate, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and half a banana. Now, if you're one that likes your protein shakes to be really cold, go ahead and add 1/3 cup of crushed ice, or about 3 to 4 ice cubes. Ice is definitely optional for this shake. As you can see in the example, I did not add ice, but I personally like it either way. Voila. If you are a chocolate and peanut butter lover, you will love this. It's bomb. Now to the next one. So this second shake is for my berry lovers. The ingredients are 8 ounces of vanilla almond milk, a scoop of vanilla protein powder, a handful of strawberries, it's gonna be about 5 whole strawberries, half a banana, 1/3 cup of blueberries, and 1/3 cup of crushed ice, or about 3 to 4 ice cubes. Now for this protein shake, you really want to let the blender mix everything together really well, just because the strawberries have tiny seeds on them and you don't want the texture to be gritty. So give it a good 60 seconds or so just to mix everything up together really well. Oh yeah, that's good. It's like super refreshing. Bomb. All right guys, and that does it for this video. Whether you are one that works out all the time or have made a New Year's resolution to try to work out more, I hope you found it helpful. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I will make sure to have all the ingredients for each protein shake listed down in the description box below. And yeah, if you have a protein shake recipe that you love, please make sure to write it in the comments below. I would love to try it. And if you have not already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. I'd love to stay in touch that way at Veronica_Natal. And always here to remind you to spread the love, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica. For those of you, I can't speak. One more time. New Year's resolution. I can't say it. Resolution. And voila. If you guys, ow.